In this video, we will look at Postman, the state of the API port 2023. For those who are not familiar with Postman, it is a popular API client that allows developers to create, share, test, and document APIs. For the fifth year, the state of the API report is the world's largest and most comprehensive survey on APIs. Over 40,000 developers and API professionals have shared their opinions on API tools and where they see APIs going. This is the voice of the API developer. Let's talk about APIs and generative AI. According to a poll, 60% of API engineers use generative AI in their job. More than half of respondents use AI to find bugs in code, and more than a third use AI to write code. Senior API developers use less AI tools than junior developers. They use it to generate documentation and commands. Education had the highest rate of uptake with 65% of survey takers using AI tools. When asked what apps developers are most excited about building over the next year, the most common response was developing AI-powered apps. The second one is IoT, Internet of Things, and FinTech, payments app respectively. AI is a productive enhancer. When asked how much productivity they expect AI tools like ChatGPT or Copilot to provide over the next 2 years, the majority of the respondents, about 42%, stated 10 to 25%. Now let's talk about other key findings. APIs are the money makers for most. Almost 2/3 of respondents said that their APIs generate revenue. Of those respondents, 43% said APIs generate over a quarter of company revenue. API pricing increasingly matters when deciding whether to integrate with an API or not. 47% of respondents said price is a consideration. The outlook for API investments has brightened. In the next 12 months, 92% of worldwide respondents expect API investment to rise or stay the same, up from 89% last year. API security is improving, but some sectors have work to do. API security improved for most respondents, with the frequency of incidents dropping in 2023, but some sectors fared worse than others. Growing ecosystem. The global growth of the API ecosystem has been strong. There are over 25 million Postman users. Collections created over all time 121 million. Requests created in past year 1.29 billion. Based on data, the 5 most API collections during the past year were Salesforce API, WhatsApp Cloud API, Twitter API V2, Notation, and PayPal APIs. Dest remains most used API architecture with 86% using it.